Introduction. Building a website from scratch may seem intimidating, but it's not as difficult as you might think. In this guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of building a website from scratch. Step 1. Define your website's purpose. Before you begin building your website, it's essential to define its purpose. Determine the primary goal of your website, whether it's to sell products, share information, or showcase your portfolio. Once you have a clear idea of your website's purpose, you can start planning its design and layout. Step 2. Choose a domain name and hosting provider. Your website needs a domain name and hosting provider. The domain name is the web address of your site, and the hosting provider is the service that stores your website files and makes them available online. Choose a domain name that's easy to remember and relevant to your website's purpose. You can register your domain name with a registrar and choose a hosting provider that fits your budget and needs. Step 3. Plan your website's design and layout. The design and layout of your website are crucial to its success. Consider the user experience, site navigation, and the aesthetic appeal of your website. You can use website builder tools like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress to design your website. Alternatively, you can hire a web designer to create a custom design for your website. Step 4. Develop your website's content. Your website's content is the text, images, and multimedia that communicate your message to your audience. Develop high-quality content that's informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience. You can hire a copywriter or create the content yourself. Step 5. Build your website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. To build a website from scratch, you need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the markup language that creates the structure of your website. CSS is the styling language that adds colors, fonts, and layout to your site. JavaScript is the programming language that adds interactivity and functionality to your website. You can use a code editor like Visual Studio Code or Atom to write your code. Step 6. Test and optimize your website. Before you launch your website, test it thoroughly to ensure that it works correctly on all devices and browsers. Optimize your website's loading speed and search engine optimization, SEO, to improve its visibility and ranking on search engines. You can use website testing tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Pingdom to test your website's performance. Conclusion. Building a website from scratch takes time and effort, but it's a rewarding experience. By following these steps, you can create a website that's unique, functional, and effective in achieving your goals. Good luck!